Today we are going to learn classes and objects in C++. First let's see what's a class. A class is a user-defined data type. That is based on the necessity of the user can define a class. And the keyword used is class. That is write class and then write the class name. Class can have data and functions as its members. That is, normally we know in a program or in a section, it can include variables and it can include functions. Same way, within a class, it can include variables or data and it can include functions also. Datas in a class, they are known as a data members, and functions in a class are known as member functions. And they can be specified using access specifiers. And the access specifiers can be private, protected, or public. If you have not specified any access specifier, then it will take it as private. That's the default access specifier used is private. Class is again explained over here. A class is a user-defined data type and it includes data members and member functions. Here is a syntax of class keyword and then name of the class. Then open the bracket and then access specifier, private, public or protected, whichever you wish you can give, and then write the data members, write the member functions, define the member functions. If any more member function means again go like that, and at the end close the class. For that, closing bracket and then semicolon. Next is the object. Here it is defined that object is an instance of a class. That is a class you have created. Now that class is to be specified in the main section. We know that compiler first goes through the main section, right? So the class which you have created should be specified in the main section. For that, we are using object. That is, with the help of object, you can access the class in the main section. For that, you have to hear the syntax, name of the class. That is for which class you are going to create the object. That name you have to write, and then object name. If any other class means same, write the class name and write its object name. Okay. Next is accessing data members and member functions. Now you have created a class, you have created an object. Now with the help of the object, you are going to call the member functions in that particular class. For that, you now know how to create an object, that is class name and then object name, semicolon. Now that object name you have to specify and then dot operator and then member function. See the example here, C1 is the object name, dot operator, and read is a member function which is to be specified over here. Here I have just defined what is a data member and member functions. We have already discussed that. That is, data members are the variables or members within the class, and functions are termed as member functions. That is, the variables declared in any class by using any fundamental data types. They are known as the data members, and the functions are known as the member functions. Okay. Hope today's topic is clear for you. Class and object. Thank you.